Oh, I'm going straight. I was like, why am I going so slow? Eco mode. Riding with Taylor and their Onyx again. So pumped to be riding. I haven't been on the bike for a few days since Sunday. The last ride was with my girl. And I noticed when I got on my bike, or before I got on my bike, I pulled the throttle in the garage a little bit and I heard a little bit of squeaking. So I bought some brake lubricant. We'll see if that's it, but I've got a service call tomorrow morning at 9 with Monday because they're amazing. Literally one text, done, have a service call scheduled tomorrow morning at 9. I mean, such an amazing company. Love the Monday Motorbike Company. Incredible service and a great product. So I think that Taylor's gonna take us on like a awesome kind of backwoodsy area, and then of course we're gonna stop and have a beer somewhere per my request. I was like, it's really hot today, we should stop and have a beer. Taylor's friends, we just ran into them, and they asked what the top speeds were on the bikes, and Taylor's is currently 55, 57, mine's currently 50, so they're not that far in difference in speed, actually. And I got to ride Taylor's Onyx, and the major difference that I noticed was that the Onyx rides like a dirt bike, turning wise, and the Monday rides like a motorcycle. It turns a little bit wider. You can't lean and take really sharp turns. That's just not, you know, my style of preference of riding anyway, so I am grateful I have this one. But it is fun. It was fun to be on a different type of bike. Definitely rides like a dirt bike, which is really cool too. It's a little lighter than this one, which makes me feel a little unstable because I'm used to the weight of this bike. You're making me want to get some music on my bike.
All you gotta get is some really cheap bungee cords and some cheap Bluetooth. You'll be all set. There's one guy who like modded a whole plate.
Yeah.
He has one of those huge ones like all the way at the back. It's so funny. It makes me feel like they're just always popping.
That's so funny.
I'm too afraid to put like earbuds in.
I usually ride, if I'm riding solo, I ride with my left one in, very like quietly, because it helps with the directions, because I can hear it, because it's connected to my phone, and then also my music. But it is like, if someone's talking to me, I can't really hear. Okay.
taken Bryn Mawr that way before, so it might be a similar street to what we were just on. And eventually get to a bike path that will then take up north and then cross over onto Bond, which will be fastest.
All right, perfect. Sounds good to me. Oh God, that feels amazing. Woo, that breeze. Last time we rode, it was, I'm not kidding when I say it was 95 with no breeze. So that video that I didn't do any talking in, that, I mean, it was mostly me bitching about how hot I was. So this is a nice change. So like I can feel the wind on my bike, and my bike's like what, like 170 pounds, maybe 180. I can imagine feeling the wind on the Onyx, which is like 135, or some of those like lighter bikes. I feel like the wind would be nuts to feel going at such like high speeds. So I can feel it on this one. I would ever switch to like a lighter bike after riding a heavy one like this. I've gotten used to it. When I first got the bike, I wasn't used to how heavy it was and like kind of moving it around and things like that. But I'm used to it now and I enjoy the weight of it actually, for the most part. Sometimes when I'm squeezing it into a tight parking spot, for instance between the garage and Kristen's car, it's problematic a little bit, but not too bad. Bumpy roads. That wind feel on the Onyx?
What?
Do you feel the wind when you're riding on the, yeah, isn't that crazy?
It sometimes feels like it picks me up.
Yeah, right? I was just saying, like, this bike is so heavy, I can't imagine the difference in, like, because your bike is so much lighter, like, it must feel crazy, yeah, like you're getting lifted up. Yeah. Wind on the microphone is great too. This is pretty. Oh gosh, look at these houses back here. I almost feel like I'm in the suburbs a little bit. Oh my god, I would love to live in one of these. These are so cute. There's actual driveways. What area is this? That's what I miss. I miss having a driveway. That's actually mostly what I miss about the burbs, is driveways, and I guess sometimes how quiet it is, but that doesn't really bother me too much, the city's noise. It's mostly the driveways and parking situations, but now that I have this, it doesn't bother me that much anymore, actually. Wow, this is a really, really cute neighborhood. Definitely doesn't feel like we're in Chicago. This is crazy. glad we went through there. Oh yeah, I don't think I could take this. Not in these smooth tires.
I wonder how this would look with knobby tires.
I've seen it. It looks awesome. I was gonna order some, but I didn't because somebody was like, oh, well, your ride won't be as smooth. And I was like, well, it's kind of bumpy already because we're in the city. Yeah. So I don't know if I want to add knobbies, but maybe it would be something to consider.
I honestly think
in the winter, maybe?
My ride, definitely in the winter, but my rides are already, like, they're right. It's not necessarily the smoothest ride because it's a whole bunch of different little bumps just like are like hitting. So with this, it almost at times feels like you're gliding, but it also, I feel like that aids me in like turning and cornering too because there's more grip.
Yeah.
Although I did fall on my bike one of the days I went out riding into some gravel over off like Belmont Harbor.
Oh.
I turned as I normally would, not really thinking, and I just like slipped right down.
Oh.
Hurt my legs so bad. I deserved it. I needed a wake up call.
So we're on a little hidden bike path back here, so trying to stay in pretty lower speeds here. Oh wow, this is really awesome. Just in case, see, like up ahead, there's, you know, some bikers, act like real bikers. We'll do some like ghost pedaling, you know, just to make it look like we mean no harm. Gorgeous back here though. I wish this was like wide open. That would be amazing. Bridges are beautiful. Oh, so by the way, anyone that may be watching this that is considering getting any bike from Monday Motorbikes, you can use the code, all caps, Monday Eve, which is Monday, and then EVE 2020, and get $300 off of any of their bikes. This week, though, the new Onza motorbike came out, so that one is on sale already because it just came out this week. So you guys should check that out. But you can't use it on that one until next week when the sale ends. So if you get that bike though this week, that one's $500 off right now. So I suggest you take a look at that. But if you want something a little beefier, like the Gen7 that I'm riding right now, then yeah, use the code Monday Eve 2020 to get $300 off. This company's phenomenal. Love them. They just sent me that code yesterday. So if you guys are wondering why I ride and give the, well, you shouldn't be wondering why I ride and give so much space to the person in front of me, but I definitely, you never know which way that person is going to lean or turn or brake or if there's a pothole. So I tend to ride a little further back from the bikers in front of me, regardless of the speed of their bike or anything like that. This is why. So it gives me enough time to brake. So it's not that, I'm going that much slower. I'm going, like say we're just going 40. I was going 40, but I give them distance.
Michael brings us out here to the ice cream shop.
Oh.
It's pretty dope.
That looks good. Oh yeah, and so whatever, if you see like a patio or something and you feel like you want to stop for a beer, whatever, I'm good with wherever.
Oh yeah, okay. I haven't done it all pandemic. I already saw my mom and my family. I got that out of the way.
Yep.
Might not be able to make it back for the holidays.
Where are they?
They're all back in Kansas.
Oh, okay.
But Chicago has that travel ban for people coming from Kansas.
Oh. So this is definitely one of the streets that I took out to go to Des Plaines to go see Benny's garage and to have him like do some work on my bike. Fun, fast street. So my speedo says 43, but that's about 3 behind. So probably going 46, 47, something like that now. In case I know you guys are gonna ask. Yeah, probably hold about 47 right now. Giving Taylor some space. Like I said, you never know. Taylor riding with the no hands. You know, I never tried that. Not sure I, want to. I'm sure I could. This bike has a lot of balance. But, I don't know if I want to risk it with her. Guess we're doing another little bike there. This is cute back here too. This is better than the lakefront for me because it's not crowded. This is awesome. So where are all the other Monday owners? Where are their bike videos? I've been waiting. I've seen like maybe two new videos since the whole time I've had this Monday. And I got my bike like June 17th, and I've seen 2 besides mine. Where are you guys at?
Just a quick walk down. So this shit just impresses the hell out of me, like the old architecture that used to run through Chicago in various areas. And then this area over here.
Oh, I got this blocked off for some reason, huh?
Kids hanging out over here a lot.
Oh, this is awesome.
I love this space. And this, the area where I was saying your pup could run around is like over on the other side.
Yeah.
You work your way in over there, and then it's just this peninsula thing that's kind of closed off.
This is really cool.
Although right now it's kind of tick season still, so
Oh yeah. We went camping and the dogs came back with a few, but we got them like right when they landed on them, thankfully.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah, that always goes.
This is an awesome spot.
Smoked a few joints here before.
It's a good spot for it.
What am I? Oh, shit. My bad. time I had the courage to ride through here, it was like 1 in the morning.
Oh my God, this is open at that time?
Yeah, well you can get onto it. I don't know if it's technically
Open.
but they never patrol it. But I was going fast too.
Oh really? Shit. I know, you know, it makes me kind of like nervous to go fast in here because it's like, I don't know, like that biker like that was passing, like he was in our lane a little bit, like I guess at 1 in the morning, the only thing you have to be afraid of is like a deer.
Yeah, no, that actually did happen.
What?
They ran right in front of me. I was like, oh shit.
Oh my God.
Same with a possum.
Oh, see, yeah, no. Definitely not trying to run over any wildlife.
It wasn't, they're usually pretty good. I just like, that was when I stopped flying. I was like, yeah, I just got too fast.
Somebody's venturing off the path. Oh, there they are, down there, I see them. That's cute down there. Pretty bridge. I literally have not known where we were this entire ride and I love it. It's so fun. Gotta say, Taylor makes for some good riding time. Like, they know where all the awesome, like, cut-throughs and paths are. My old neighborhood, Lincoln Square. I miss walking around here with Harley, my dog, late dog. Used to walk around here. Oh, look at him. He just parked on the sidewalk like that. Yes, badass. I love that motorcycle just parked on the sidewalk. That would honestly be me if I had a real motorcycle. I wouldn't want to risk my bike getting knocked over by a stupid car. No. Just ordered yesterday and it shipped today a heated vest and heated socks because I'm already prepared to ride all winter. Like, I'm dreading the days where it's like icy and too dangerous to ride, but I'm prepared. I'm getting prepared to get out there and ride when it's not like terrible out. Okay, so we definitely set off the camera. it was flashing at me. Oh, that's hilarious. I was wondering what you were doing. I was like, okay, we definitely, yeah, I was going over 40 for sure. And I was like, that went off.
So my car's...
Oh yeah, there it is, Holiday Club.
I love this signal. It's a good one. I don't know how it is on camera.
So if you're wondering if your Monday will set off a speed camera, it will. But if your bike's not registered, you don't have to worry about getting a ticket. I didn't think that this would be heavy enough, or I don't even know. I guess I don't really know how it gets up. Maybe it is just purely just speed. But it definitely went off when we were going over 40. I feel like we should be able to go out this way, you know? Even though the gate's up?
This is the exit.
Alright.
So do you all want to, oh yeah, there's the helmet.
Oh, that's awesome.
So should we try and hit that point?
Yeah. Yeah, since we're here, yeah.
Dude, you gotta do something about that. Come on. You gotta do something about it. You gotta put.
I'm excited to see your bike.
So I'm buying. I'm probably buying one tomorrow or something. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I really wanna.
It's awesome.
Kevin bought one. Oh, a GoPro. Yeah, a GoPro 360.
The bass player.
I like your helmet. I'm stopping one. Oh, thank you. So you see what I'm gonna do?
Ooh, look at that!
I'm getting this guy's salt to make me a different seat.
Yeah.
I made this seat. So it's gonna go like this. Half of this.
Oh, I like it.
With diamond shape. And then I wanna have a memory from it. See, this thing is so uncomfortable.
Really?
Yes, it is.
Wow, you got an alarm on yours?
Yeah.
Oh
yeah,
shit. Damn.
Because I didn't put a lock or anything.
Well, look, their alarm system is much better though. All things considered, Monday is way better. It locks their wheel.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's amazing.
But because he has a
So,
new drive, that's
I
why,
like
you know.
this.
Oh, this guy he 3D printed this thing.
3D printed, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Look how convenient this is though.
I think I'm gonna get it back.
That is convenient.
I don't know. I honestly now, dude, to be honest, I feel like because I saw the original Monday and I saw this one, I think the build, the quality build is better than Onyx.
On the other?
On the Monday.
Oh yeah.
Like the build quality of a Monday.
It looks professional as fuck.
It looked professionally made. It looked like it was made by
Factory
some Swedish guy or something.
By a Swedish guy. I mean, it is. The quality build of a Monday is. It's phenomenal.
And then they don't use like this part that you find anywhere. It's like it's pretty much custom.
It is custom. Yeah, it's a nice. It's a nice ride. I like it a lot.
Did you start put a blinker, especially in the back?
Yeah.
I ride a lot on the road actually.
Me too. Yeah.
You know, sometimes I get because like your bike is legit look like a motorcycle. It doesn't look like this could be. This I could probably maybe trying to pass like a bicycle somewhere.
Yeah.
But your bike is definitely a motorcycle, so people won't just probably see that.
Yeah.
Unless you're like behind someone, like when the blinker goes, you know,
Yep.
they can see, but they might not be able to see it, you know.
Oh God, my bike doesn't like sand. God, seriously, come on!
I thought I was never turned around.
Seriously, my bike does not like it. I'm gonna take it down to like 2.
Yeah, go slower.
Yeah. What? You riding so crazy. My bike was like, what the fuck? I'm not for off-roading like that.
I feel like all of the Onyx riders has like a Bluetooth speaker with them.
Yeah.
Because it's so quiet and so lonely, so you know. The one that go in the middle.
Oh, okay.
This is definitely worth a photo op.
Yeah.